Okay, we are in Pila, which is located in the Aosta Valley in Italy. This is the gondola ride that takes you up to the first, well, there's three stages, there's sort of a twist in it, and this takes you up to the first twist and the next one, and then the very top is about 1700 meters high. It takes about 20 minutes in one of these things, which is absolutely amazing. Look at that. Once we get there, then we turn sort of leftish and up a little bit, and we take another chair ride. This is this one here, and this one takes us up to another section, which is about I'm not too sure, I can't say. So once we're there, we take this chair, which is now on the other side, which is on the right. So we go left, here we go right. Now this chair is massive, and this takes us up to about 2,700 feet, 2,700 meters, and then we start making our way down. And this is a track on the left-hand side. I'm trying to make so you can see what's going on. And it's quite light. It's a little bit of a tricky one. It's a red, but it's okay. So I'm speeding it down, so I've speeded it up a little bit. I hope it's a bit better than this. It's a bit stodgy at the moment that I'm looking at. Okay, and then I'm going to show you something else in a second. Let it catch up. Right, so this chairlift, which we're looking at now, we just seen. Oh no, I'm still going down. Okay, I'm still going down. Sorry, we go down this way. There's a reason for all this, because while I was skiing, the chairlift, which was the first one I took when I met the other one, I got to it, slipped, went backwards. My skis did not come off, which I don't think they do when you go backwards, and I popped a calf muscle. So while we're over there, it costs what is it now, £200 to get you down, just using one skidoo. And then when you have to go to the Medi Centre, I mean, the total bill, which I didn't pay because this is why I'm doing the video, would have cost me £1,350, not 1,300, £375 just to look at it and not do anything. So I'm going to try and show you now. This is where we stopped, so I could recuperate a little bit. And then what we do then, this chairlift which you see just above me now, we have to catch that again to go back to the top to catch the lift, which will come up in a bit, to take me all the way down to almost the bottom. Then I had to ski 2 more sections with this calf muscle, a little bit throbby. Wasn't too much, how can I say this, didn't do too much damage. There's 3 stages on your calf muscle. There's a tear, then there's a bad tear, then there's a really bad tear where you've got internal bleeding and everything, and then this next one is operation. So mine was the first one, so it was just badly swollen. Kept my boot on, didn't take it off. Now this chairlift, sorry about the screen, it's a little bit dirty, but that's because it's messy on the glass anyway. So this thing's massive, and you'll see coming up, you can stand in this, and I was in quite a bit of pain with this because I had to stand all the way, and you'll see it now. Look at this huge thing, and you'll see another one coming up on the right hand side. This is a beautiful place to ski. Pila is amazing. Well, while I was talking, it is approximately, yeah, it was founded in 25 BC by the Romans. I found a lot of literature on it here. What else? It is, where can I put it? Yeah, so it says here, the resort altitude is 1800 with access to another 70 kilometers of piste, in total of 17 to 27 meters, 2,700 meters. The 20-minute gondola ride, which was the first one you saw me in, and then this is the last one coming down. I get off, and then I'm all right after that.